In this Meta AI video generator tutorial, you're going to learn how to make AI videos for free using Meta AI. So the website is meta.ai. First, click on Create Video. So you can describe the video you want, you can turn text to video, or you can turn image to video. So if you look here, you can create a video from my photo. So you upload an image and then you turn it into a video, which I'll show you in just a second. Now first, let's start with a simple text to video. So I have a prompt. Here I'm asking to create a video of a cute cat scrolling on their phone. So I'm not going to read the whole prompt. Let me just send this and show you what we get. And now you can see we get 4 AI videos generated for us. So here by default, you see that these are vertical videos. Now, if I want to generate a wide horizontal video, here's how. So let me start a new chat. Then I click on Create Video. Then I put in my prompt. Now the prompt, we start off with create a video. So if I want a horizontal video, I can change this. I just write horizontal. So now we are asking for create a horizontal video of, and then we have our prompt. So now I'll send this. And now we have 4 AI videos generated for us. Let's say I like this one. I can click on this button to download it to my computer. And I can also click into any of the video to continue editing it. So say I click on this one. Here on the right, we can see our prompt that we wrote. And if we scroll down, you can add a music to the video. You can extend the video. Here you can see this is actually a 5 seconds video. And if I want to make this video longer, I can click on extend. And now this video will go from 5 seconds to 8 seconds long. And from here, you can choose to add music, or you can restyle your video to any of this style. If I click on browse, you can see all these different styles that you can add to the video. And if you want to download the video, you can also go to the top right corner, click on the download button, and now it will download this 8-second extended video to my computer. Next, let me show you how to turn an image to video using Meta AI. So let's use this image as an example. We have Walter White holding a pizza box at his door. First, click on Create Video. Then go to the left, click on plus to upload your image. Then you can describe the video. So I'll just write something like create a video from this image showing the man opening the pizza box to reveal a large pepperoni pizza. So let's send this and let's see what we get. So it does show him opening the pizza box to reveal a large pepperoni pizza. Now, sometimes the first try, it might not look as good. Sometimes it might look unnatural. So when it comes to creating AI videos, you may want to try a few times, generate a bunch of videos until you find one that you like. So that's how to turn an image to video using Meta AI.